Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I decided to do a e.l.f. haul. I ordered over 22 items from e.l.f. a week ago, and you guys are always asking me what lip gloss I use, what makeup I use, and although I don't use everything e.l.f., majority of my everyday items like lip gloss, lip liners, and all that other good stuff is from e.l.f. Just before we get started, this video is not sponsored. I spent 104 of my dollars to purchase these 22 items because that's how bomb e.l.f. is. Just wanted to put that out there so you guys don't think that I'm being sponsored to promote their products. This is literally what I use every single day. I'm going to show you guys everything that I got. I'm going to tell you guys how much the items were, and not only am I going to show you guys the items in the tube stick, but I'm also going to try it on for you. So if you are brown skin or around my skin tone or dark skin, you'll know how it'll look on you, kind of from seeing how it looks on me. These are all of the items that I got, and there is a lot. Most of the items that I got, I kind of got more than one. Like most of the lip gloss, I got like 3 or more. Because I use it all the time, I don't want to have to keep ordering from e.l.f. every month. So hopefully these items will last me at least until like December, I'm hoping. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so the first thing that I ordered was my favorite lip liner. This is the lip liner that I wear on my lips every single day. It is a lip liner and blending brush, and the color is in deep brown. This is how it looks. And I got 8 of them because I love it, first of all, and it's so affordable. That's the one thing I really like about e.l.f. is it's so affordable and it's so worth the money. So it's like, why not just stack up on the items? This e.l.f. lip liner is $3, so I got 8, which came up to 24. And it's just so bomb, you guys. If you're brown skin or dark skin girl and you're looking for a really nice brown lip liner to wear with a nude gloss, you're kind of looking for like that really nice nude combo, I definitely would recommend this lip liner. I've been using it for a year and I cannot live without it. Like, I wear it on my lips all the time. If you follow me on Instagram or you even are subscribed to this channel, more than likely you'll see me wear this nude combo. This is the color that I have on my lips right now, in case you guys are wondering how it'll look. I'm going to actually show you guys how it looks on my arm so you can see it on my skin tone. This is how the lip liner looks, and it has a brush at the end, a blending brush, and then this is the actual lip liner. This is the color. So that is how the lip liner looks. I usually wear it with a nude lip gloss in the middle, like how I have on now, and I'm actually going to show you guys the lip gloss that I wear in the middle and how I apply it. But this is the lip liner. 1 out of 10, I rate this product a 10,000. It is amazing. It's super cheap. It looks really nice on brown, dark skin girls. I'm pretty sure it looks nice on every complexion, but it's really hard for brown skin, dark skin girls like myself to find a really nice nude combo. Lip liner goes well with almost every brown nude color lip gloss that you can find. So I definitely would recommend this. And it's so cheap, so why not? The next thing that I got, well, actually I forgot to order it, but I had to set in another order the next day to purchase it because I literally can't go without it, is this e.l.f. Prep and Glimmer Stick. I use it on my face before I apply my foundation, and sometimes in the summertime I'll use it on my body just because it gives me like that really pretty colorful glitter glow, and it just looks super nice on your skin in the summertime, especially if you're tanning by the pool. Like, girl, it's fire. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera because I ran out of it. It looks really crusty. I'm gonna show you guys it anyways, don't judge me. So that is how the Prep and Glimmer Stick looks. The color that I got it in is golden, and it is $8. Usually if you push it up, it'll come up like up to this high, I want to say. So it lasts for a minute. I want to say I purchased this product maybe 5-6 months ago, and I'm just now running out of it. Like, I still can use it, but it's just not, you know, there's barely anything left. So I definitely recommend this. If you're like somebody who likes that glittery makeup look, then you'll definitely love this prep stick to put on your face under. Don't apply too much because then it starts to look like sweat because it's so much glitter. If you just swipe your face one time like that, literally you rub it in your face and you apply foundation and you'll be able to see it. It'll look so pretty. I'm not even going to rate the products because every product that I purchase is a 10, or I would not be spending $104 worth of buying more than one of them. So just so you know, 1 out of 10, all of the products is a 10. The next thing that I purchased are these lip plumping glosses. The color that I got is Peach Bellini. I purchased 5 of them because It's just that bomb. They're $6 each. I really love this gloss. It's almost like a nude. It's like a nude glossy color. It is a plumping gloss, so it does give you like that tingly feeling. But if you're not too fond of the tingly feeling on your lips, you just apply clear under and then you apply the gloss. And it doesn't completely take away the feeling, but it doesn't make it as like noticeable. Hands down, Peach Bellini is my go-to color. I wear it all the time. It's super pretty. It's super subtle. It's not too nude to where your lips look white, but then it also has pigmentation, so it doesn't look like you're wearing completely clear on your lips. It's so pretty. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks right now. I'm actually going to wipe off my lip gloss now and show you guys how this looks on my lips. Took that color off. Usually what I do is I'll apply clear. So I'm going to apply a little bit of clear under. And then I'm going to apply my Peach Bellini Lip Plumping Gloss. I usually don't put that much. I just, that's enough. And then I'm going to apply my gloss. How it looks on me, but I love it. It's definitely one of my faves. If you're looking for like a really nice peach nude color, I definitely recommend e.l.f.'s Lip Plumping Gloss Peach Bellini. So the next thing that I got from e.l.f. was their Glow Dewy Mist. This is actually my first time purchasing this product. I tried it yesterday and I loved it so much. It just gives you like that glowy look. Personally, I have really dry skin, so whenever I use foundation, it makes me look really matte, and I don't like the way that looks. I like to have like that Megan Good glow. I call it a Megan Good glow because her makeup always looks so glowy and pretty to me. It's because she has oily skin, clearly, but there's other ways that people who have dry skin could get that look. Number one thing that I do is I usually would apply water onto my face and it'll give me like that glowy look, or I'll just do my makeup and then go in the shower after. If you go in the shower and the steam will usually give me that glowy look when I get out. I used it the other day. It's coconut inside of it, so it smells really good and it just gives you like that glowy look. I'll spray it on my face. I already sprayed some earlier, but and you just kind of let it go into your skin. And this was $8 as well. This is my first time purchasing it, so I didn't want to get more than one until I knew that I liked it. But I definitely like it. What I will say is it's not 100% necessary. Like, I'll purchase it again, but it's not like on my to-get list yet. I've only tried it twice, so I can't really say that I'm in love with it yet, but it does smell like coconut, which is a plus. If you're looking for something, some type of spritz or some type of setting spray, and you want to try e.l.f. out, then I definitely recommend that you give this a try. Super cheap, so even if you don't like it, it's only $8. It's not much of a waste. The next thing that I purchased, and this has to be my fave, seeing it online, and I was like, I don't really know if it's gonna work, so I don't know if I want to buy it. It's only $6, but I'm kind of cheap, y'all, so I had to do my reviews online, and this is literally the truth. It's their Glow on the Go Selfie Light, and you put it on your phone. This is how it looks. And there's different light settings. So you put on the first one, it's like this. The second one, it's like that. And then the third one, like that. It's so cute, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Oh, look at me. Imagine being on FaceTime with your boo with this, like, and you just glowing. Like, I put it on my phone like this. Call up my boo. But yeah, I really like it. It's so cute. It's worth $6, and it just makes your selfies come out much better. Really, like, perfect. The selfies that I am going to take with this is about to be real. I keep showing it to all my friends, like, yo, look what I got online. It's only $6 because it's just so cute. So the next thing that I got is e.l.f.'s Lip Plumping Gloss Champagne Glam. And I wear this color. I don't wear it too often, to be honest, but I have purchased this over like 7 or 8 times from e.l.f. I'm just looking for a cute, calm gloss to throw on. I usually throw on Champagne Glam. It's $6. And I only purchased one because it's not my favorite out of the lip plumping glosses that they have, but I always purchase it whenever I order some. It's like a pink gold kind of color. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks up close. So with this color, I don't usually wear clear under. I don't know why, but I just don't. So I'm just gonna apply it. And so this is how it looks on my lips. Glitter under it. So it's just like a clear glittery with like a tint of pink color. It's really cute. If you're just looking for a random gloss to throw on, I would definitely recommend Champagne Glam. Next thing that I got was e.l.f.'s Lip Plumping Gloss, and the color is Pink Cosmo. It was $6, so I ordered 2, and it came up to 12. I really like this gloss. It has a pink undertone, so it's super pretty. I wear this one with the clear under. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks now. Again, this is one of my go-to colors. I wear it all the time. It's really pretty. I wear clear under it. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on my lips right now. I noticed with my skin tone, it's always hard for me to find the perfect pink because it's like sometimes it's too pigmented and it gives me like that white look on my lips, which is not cute. And then sometimes it's not as pigmented at all, and then it looks like nothing is on my lips. It looks like I'm wearing clear. This is like the perfect one that I found so far. I usually put clear under. So this is how the Pink Cosmo looks. I love it. Super cute. Not too much. It's like the perfect pink. So I definitely recommend it. Like I said, I purchased 2 and it only came up to $6 each. Out of all the lip plumping glosses, those are the 3 that I really like. I tried Mocha Twist, which is brown, and I didn't really care for it too much. I'm a girl that really likes nudes. So everything in this haul basically is kind of looks the same, but it doesn't really like. The Pink Cosmo has more of a pink pigmentation. The Peach Bellini is more of like the nude, peach looking kind of color. The Champagne Glam is like a golden, glittery color. And then the deep brown lip liner is brown. I'm not really into like purple, you know, hot pink. I'm not really into those colors. So if you're looking for like nude, subtle colors, I definitely recommend e.l.f. because that's where I purchase all of my nude lip glosses and my lip, you know, everything lip is from e.l.f. basically. Okay, so the next thing that I purchased is e.l.f.'s their High Shine Liquid Lipstick in the color Naked Nude. And this was $4. I purchased 3. I opened this one yesterday to wear. But yeah, I really love this color. It is a brown. Dark skin girl, you're looking for a nice nude, definitely recommend Naked Nude. It's only $4, so it's super cheap and it's so pretty, you guys. I wear it with my deep brown lip liner. I'm going to show you guys the combo now, but if you're ever wondering what brown combo I'm wearing, it's more than likely this. So I'm going to show you guys. So yes, you guys, this color is bomb. I think out of all the brown glosses I've ever tried, this Naked Nude High Shine Lip Gloss from e.l.f. is definitely like my top. Especially to go with that lip liner that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. I definitely recommend you try this. The High Shine Liquid Lipstick in Naked Nude. I'm going to show you guys how it looks on me right now. Okay, so what I'm about to do is I'm about to apply the deep brown lip liner that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video to my lips. I usually apply it a little harsh because I really like that noticeable ombre look. So I feel like the darker the lip liner, it looks better. So this is how the lip liner looks. And then I'm about to apply the lip gloss. So the key with this is I don't put too much on. I put a little bit, not too much at all. I usually just put it right here and right at the top, and then I mix it around, and then that's it. Just like that. It is my go-to brown. I love it. It's so pretty. I wear it all the time, you guys. So yeah, and because my order came up to $104, they sent me this cute e.l.f. Called Gold Galaxy. I took it out of the box because I was thirsty. I wanted to see what it looked like when I first got it. So this is how it looks. So with that Stardust glitter, I'm probably going to wear it on my body in the summertime, mix it with my lotion just to give me that glittery summer glow. Or I may wear it on my face, I'm not really sure. But that was just an extra product that they threw in. Yeah, that's the end of my video. Hope that you guys enjoyed my first haul. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.